This Harmony audio replacement antenna mast is tailored for late 1990s to early 2000s Dodge Dakota trucks, so it restores factory-style reception without awkward adapters. The package includes a universal Chrysler and Dodge compatible antenna, plus a Motorola-style antenna extension cable, giving you everything needed in one box for most installs. Installation is straightforward thanks to the plug-and-play design, allowing you to reuse the existing radio connection without cutting or splicing wires. The direct factory-style fit means the antenna sits correctly on the fender and looks like an original part rather than an obvious aftermarket add-on. Reception performance is solid for everyday radio listening, bringing back clear local stations that a damaged or missing mast can no longer pull in. Overall build quality is dependable for a replacement part, making it a practical choice if you want to refresh your Dakota's radio system with minimal hassle.